Freedom fighter. Mr. Malala Gudina is peaceful freedom fighter. Bakkale Garba is peaceful freedom fighter. They stand for democracy in Ethiopia. We condemn human rights violations in Ethiopia. Ethiopian regime must stop killing Oromo people. Ethiopian regime must stop killing innocent Oromo people. Free all political prisoners in Ethiopia. Free all political prisoners in Ethiopia. We demand immediate release of all political prisoners in Ethiopia. No military rule in Oromia. No military rule in Oromia.
Nasıl?